Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the most exciting and rapidly advancing fields of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. We'll be discussing what AI is, how it works, and the many ways in which it is being used today. What is AI? So, what exactly is AI? At its most basic level, AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes things like understanding natural language, recognizing images and patterns, and making decisions based on data. AI systems are designed to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. How AI works. AI is achieved through the use of advanced algorithms and computational models. These models are trained on large amounts of data, which allows them to learn from patterns and make predictions about new data. In particular, machine learning algorithms and neural networks are often used to build AI systems.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used in a wide range of applications in real life, from everyday consumer products to complex industrial systems. Here are a few examples. Personal assistants. AI-powered personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become a part of our daily lives. These assistants use natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to our voice commands, and they can perform a variety of tasks like setting reminders, playing music, and controlling smart home devices. Healthcare. AI is being used in healthcare to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. For example, AI can be used to analyze medical images and help radiologists detect and diagnose diseases like cancer. Finance. AI is being used in finance to automate tasks like fraud detection, credit scoring, and customer service. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of financial data to identify patterns and predict outcomes, which can help financial institutions make better decisions and reduce risk. Manufacturing. AI is being used in manufacturing to improve efficiency and quality. For example, AI-powered robots can perform repetitive tasks like assembling products or inspecting parts. AI can also be used to analyze data from sensors and other sources to identify potential equipment failures before they happen. Transportation. AI is being used in transportation to improve safety and efficiency. Self-driving cars and trucks use AI to analyze data from sensors and cameras to navigate roads and avoid accidents. AI can also be used to optimize logistics and transportation networks, reducing delivery times and costs.